What a beauty, just in, direct off the last owner. It is beautiful. Mercedes Benz A45 AMG, little pocket rocket. The last owners totally cherished it, absolutely loved the car. It's a bit of a price to get it away from them, to be honest with you. They really have enjoyed the car. Outstanding example, it is a real beauty. Options of around £9,000 we believe. Cosmos Black Metallic, 2016 on a 16 plate. Aero Pack, 19-inch alloy wheels, reverse camera, panoramic roof. I'll tell you the rest of the spec as we go all the way around. Let's take you around it. Looks fabulous all the way around. Five Mercedes-Benz service stamps in the book. And we do the videos to show you exactly how nice every single car that we sell is. Nothing's left to chance. Give you the confidence to buy this car from the comfort of your armchair. So right close up. The fabulous aero kit just sets the car off nicely. As you can see, just gleaming away. No major dents, scratches, scuffs or stone chips anywhere. Just a bit of dust on the bonnet there the camera's picking up. Of course it's got the 19-inch black alloy wheels, the multi-spoke, the red brake calipers, setting it off very, very nicely. Again, all the wheels in great condition, no major damage to any of those. Fitted with Toyo matching tyres all the way around, all down the sides, all the bodywork, lovely and clean. Again, the offside rear wheel in great condition. Rear parking sensors. Great spoiler across the back. Just sets it off very, very nicely. Rear diffuser. AMG Sports exhaust just makes it sound real mean. Good size boot on these cars. Lovely and clean, not been abused. Locking wheel bolts there. Split folding rear seats. Of course, no spare wheel on this. Again, all down the sides, great condition. Near side rear wheel. Again, a real close-up to prove to you exactly how nice the wheel is. No major chunks out of those. And again, down the sides, beautifully gleaming away, no little dings anywhere. Matic, four-wheel drive. Again, the near side front wheel. A real pocket rocket, 2 litre, 360 brake horsepower, four-wheel drive, automatic gearbox. As I mentioned, front and rear parking sensors, that's all part of the aero kit. Glass panoramic sunroof, tilt and slide. Look at this gorgeous interior, it is fabulous. Two-tone leather Alcantara with the red stitching. Beautifully clean inside. Non-smoker's car, no nasty smells. Great feel to the Alcantara. Again, all the trims in great condition. Electric windows, electric mirrors, folding mirrors, electric seats and memory seats, Harman Kardon upgraded stereo system. Is driver and passenger memory seats and electric seats. Get those seats just comfortable, they really do hug you in, and just look at the condition. Great condition. Very light and airy inside with the panoramic sunroof. Leather multifunction sport steering wheel with a paddle shift gear change. Automatic lights. Keyless start. As I mentioned, the passenger seat is electric with memory too. All the attention to detail with a carbon trim across the dashboard. Satellite navigation. Nice big clear screen. Reverse camera. Nice clear menu. Great stereo. Just of course, you can get the suspension just right. 45,300 miles. Various modes for the suspension, Sports Plus. Media input, Bluetooth phone, all the options of the vehicle are listed in the advert, but what a great car. All nice and clear on the dashboard, radio stereo controls on there, heated seats, the sports exhaust, of course passenger heated seat as well, dual zone climate control, sports automatic gearbox, and of course you've got a paddle shift gear change, down or up, cruise control speed limiter, various control for the stereo, and again the menu shows up in front of you on the dashboard as well as on the bigger panel. You can scroll through that. All the phone connections on there. And of course the glass and tilt sunroof with the sun blind. One touch open. Just press the button and the sun blind just draws across nice and smoothly. So there we have it. What a fabulous car, great to drive, beautiful outstanding condition all the way around, cup holders, centre armrest, 2 sets of keys, complete book pack, full HPI checked and clear, Part exchange always a pleasure. Check out our finance options on the website and work out your low deposits, low monthly payments. And we did a video to prove to you exactly how nice all our cars are, giving you the assurance to buy this car from the comfort of your armchair. Simply click and collect from our showrooms in Stoke-on-Trent, or ask about home delivery. We make buying and selling cars a simple, hassle-free process. Specialist cars based in Stoke-on-Trent, a multi-award-winning dealer. Read about our raving fans reviews, and you'll see why customers come back to us time and time again and buy our cars unseen from hundreds of miles away. Any further information, please give us a call on 01782 822 700, or if you wish to receive a personalised video of any aspects we've missed on this video, happy to send you that over. So why should you buy your car off me? Very simple. We've been established since 1997. And our full way of transparency is to show to you how nice all our cars are. So rather than just comparing prices, we urge you to compare the specification, the condition, and who you're dealing with. Read about our raving fans review and you'll understand why customers come back to us time and time again over generations. We have full on-site facilities for servicing, repairs, MOTs. Every single car goes through our workshop before you buy it. All are full HPI checked to ensure there's no outstanding finance, there's no damage, not been stolen. That gives you the confidence to know that that car is absolutely perfect. Why not follow us on Facebook? You'll get full updates of every single car, of exactly what's going on in the premises here. You can buy any of our vehicles 24/7 off our website. Click and reserve, come and collect. Alternatively, we can arrange home delivery. Buy it from the comfort of your armchair. Simple as that. With the full video, you know exactly what you're going to get. No nasty surprises. Check out our YouTube channel. Follow us on there and you will get updates of every single car as soon as it arrives in. Here to help you. Give us a call 01782 822 700.